Votto's been thrown out of the game.
Well, this has gone on all night, and there has been a running conversation with Votto. He is awfully, awfully upset.
Never seen him like this. Not this upset.
Now Torii's going to get into space. Torii's going to be ejected. Yep.
You can't for any length of time disagree. And now Paul Molitor is ejected.
Well, Paul coming out, and I'm surprised that he doesn't push Torii Hunter away and take over.
There's some frustration, and now Molitor is trying to restrain Torii.
Right.
Jeff Kellogg, the crew chief, coming in. And Torii very frustrated. We saw his frustration in his last at bat, now throwing batting gloves. We saw Torii's frustration in his final at bat last night, and he's not done yet. Throwing his bat down in foul territory in his final at bat.
Well, the first base umpire has McClendon steamed. He turned and whipped his cap towards second base. It's still sitting on the grass. And now McClendon walks back. He's going to pick up first base a la Lou Piniella. And he's walking away with the first base bag. But this time he doesn't turn and throw it, at least not yet. McClendon walking with the first base bag underneath his left arm. He just now has crossed the third baseline, and I guess he's just going to walk off with it. To the delight of this crowd, McClendon marches down the dugout steps with first base.
And the White Sox. Strike three, Volpe down looking. He does not like that call. Well, I'm sure that boot's been thrown out. And Diaz giving it as good as he's getting it, but Boone getting his money's worth. And he's showing the pitch that is being caught. And then he's mimicking Laz Diaz.
This is much more about than just Volpe's last pitch. This is the culmination, as you said, Michael, in some key spots. A very old school feel to that argument is Diaz giving it right back.
He made that line, and that's what's been called a strike for both sides too. And he was taking exception to it because Yankees need these games.
3-2 to Rodriguez. Did he go? Did not. He's aboard. Zunino's really hacked off. And Will Little,
that's the second time. Roy's going to come out, and I just tossed him out of the game. But he's fighting for the young pitcher. And I don't blame him.
Roy's going to get his money's worth now. He just ran Zunino.
I don't blame him because he's trying to get out there and save his catcher from getting kicked out.
And I don't blame Mike.
No.
Gardner's on second base because they missed a call, and right there he thought he had it again, and he's fighting for his pitcher.
I love it. He's blowing a gasket. It's awesome.
He's going to give DeMuro what for the last couple of calls. Might as well air everybody out. Get your money's worth times 10. Everybody's getting a piece.
I love it. A little hustle, too.
Do you think he cares?
Absolutely.
I bet he does. He knows how important this is.